Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the new drug that is Cardus Marianus. Cardus Marianus, Cardus Marianus, Marianus. Cardus Marianus. Its common name is Saint Mary Thistle. Saint Mary Thistle. Uh, so the action of this drug is centered on the liver and portal system, causing soreness, pain, and jaundice. So, a sphere of action of this drug is liver and portal system, and mainly this drug is given to the patient for soreness, pain, and jaundice. Has a specific relation to the vascular system, abuse of alcoholic beverages, that is causation, bad effects of alcohol, especially beer. Beer is one of the causation. Varicose veins is and ulcers, both are the conditions in which also we can give this medicine, that is Cardus Marianus. Diseases in minors associated with asthma. Minors means children or less than 18 associated with asthma. Dropsical condition due to pelvic congestion and dropsical condition. Dropsy is generalized swelling and hepatic diseases, that is liver diseases. So sphere of action is liver, portal system, vascular system, and varicose veins, ulcers. In that condition we can give this, and the causation is alcoholic beverage, especially beer. Disturbs sugar metabolism, influenza, when liver is affected. So overall, when liver is involved, we can think of this remedy. Debility, there is debility, and debility means weakness, like emaciation, hemorrhages, prostration, especially connected with hepatic diseases. The hemorrhages connected with hepatic diseases and influenza, sugar metabolism, also when liver is affected. So overall, the general information about this drug, and now we will go to discuss mind symptoms, that is mental symptoms of this drug. Despondency, forgetful, apathetic. Forgetful, patient is very much forgetful, apathetic, like neutral reaction about life, no inclination to live like that condition. Head. So we have discussed about mind. Now we go to particular symptoms, and I am discussing this drug from Boric Materia Medica. So in particular characteristic symptom we will discuss head. In head, here it is written sensation of contraction above the eyebrows. So it is and dull, heavy, stupid with foul tongue. Tongue is also a characteristic symptom. Foul tongue, vertigo with tendency to fall forward, burning and pressure in the eyes, epistaxis. Epistaxis condition called when nose bleeding condition, epistaxis. So in the head, we can say vertigo with tendency to fall forward, dull, heavy, stupid with a foul tongue, and sensation of contraction above the eyebrows. This contraction is uh, only sensation, involuntary. Burning and pressure in the eyes. Burning in the eyes. Stomach. Now we will go to stomach. Mouth taste bitter. Bitter taste also we have read in pulsatilla and many other drugs. You can think about that. Bitter taste in mouth. So aversion to salt meat. Here it is causation, one of the causations we have read earlier, that is alcoholic beverage, especially beer. And here it's aversion to salt meat, that we have also read in carbo-veg, I think carbo-veg. Salt meat, appetite small, tongue furrowed. Foul tongue and tongue furrowed, nausea, retching, vomiting of green acrid fluid, stitches on the left side of stomach. Left side organ, mainly spleen, near the spleen, cyanothus, gallstones with hepatomegaly. So hemorrhages with hepatic disease, influenza with liver when liver is affected also, and gallstones also associated with hepatomegaly. So in this condition we can think of this remedy, that is Cardas marianus. And with this, discharges are green acrid fluid discharges, or tongue furrowed and foul tongue. Now abdomen, pain in the liver region. All about this remedy belongs to liver and liver associated complaints. And also this remedy is also very much useful in varicose veins and ulcers. So in abdomen, left lobe very sensitive, pain in liver region, left lobe very sensitive, fullness and soreness with a moist skin, constipation, stool hard, difficult, knotty. So here it is stool. Characteristics of stool hard, difficult, knotty, alternates with diarrhea. Stool alternates with constipation, alternates with diarrhea. So also seen in Nux vomica. Constipation alternates with diarrhea, Cardas marianus. And characteristics of stool is hard, difficult, knotty stool. Stool bright yellow, color is bright yellow. Swelling of the gall bladder with painful tenderness, gallstones associated with hepatomegaly, as we have read earlier, hyperemia of the liver with jaundice, and jaundice, cirrhosis with dropsy. Cirrhosis, dropsical conditions we can give this remedy, also associated with liver complaints like cirrhosis. Now we will talk about the rectum. Hemorrhagic piles, we have read hemorrhage associated with where we have read in general hemorrhages especially connected with hepatic disease. So hemorrhagic piles, that is bleeding piles. Bleeding piles, this remedy is useful. Later I will tell many other drugs useful in bleeding piles. Now bleeding piles, this one, Cardas marianus, prolapse of rectum, burning pain in anus and rectum, burning pain in eyes, rectum and anus. Pain, kind of pain sensation is burning, like, and the stool is hard, knotty, clay stool, clay like stool, profuse diarrhea due to rectal cancer, 10 drops doses. It can be also given in rectal cancer, and diarrhea alternates with constipation. So we will talk about urinary symptoms. Urine cloudy, golden colored, jaundice. In jaundice, urine tends to be golden colored, cloudy. Next, chest, stitching pain. So pain sensation, pain type of pain we have earlier read burning pain. Now another, stitching pain in lower right ribs and front pleurisy. Worse moving, walking, etc. Asthmatic respiration. Asthma, in minor cases, asthmatic conditions, this remedy is also very much useful. pain in chest going to the shoulders, back, loins, abdomen with an urge to micturate. So next is extremities, pain in hip joint spreading through the buttocks and down the thighs. Words from stooping sciatica. Sciatica, pain in the hip joint, and sciatica. Words from stooping. Difficulty on rising, arthritis, weakness felt in the feet, especially after sitting. Here it is not written which sided sciatica, but it can be given in sciatica. Pain in the hip joint spreading through buttocks and down the thighs. That is, pain is descending kind of pain. Descends from hip joint to buttocks and then down the thighs. Posteriorly, that written sciatica. Weakness felt in the feet, especially after sitting. Relationship, compare Cardus benedictus, strong action on the eyes and sensation of contraction in many parts. Stomach symptoms similar. Chelidonium, Chianan, Makpur. So all we have discussed that Cardus marianus. Now I am revising this. Like Cardus marianus, common name St. Mary's thistle, and the general overall action of the drug belong to liver, portal system, vascular system, and it can be associated with the influenza when liver is affected, hemorrhages especially when hepatic disease is connected, cirrhosis with dropsy, and dropsical condition with hepatic diseases. In minors, diseases associated with asthma, and now causation is alcoholic beverages, especially beer. And mental symptoms, very much forgetful, apathetic, despondency, and particular symptoms we can say head, sensation of contraction above the eyebrows, burning and pressure in the eyes, foul tongue, stomach, bitter taste in the mouth, aversion to salt meat, discharges are green, acrid fluid, and pain, stitching kind of pain, and burning kind of pain, left sided near the spleen, gallstone with hepatomegaly. And about tongue is furrowed and foul tongue. And pain in the liver region, that is right sided, but left lobe is very sensitive. Constipation alternates with diarrhea. Characteristics of stool is hard, difficult and knotty. Color is bright yellow, and gallstones associated with hepatomegaly. So we can think of this remedy. And also bleeding piles, one of the remedy for bleeding piles, burning pain in the anus, rectal cancer, and stool, clay stool, hard, knotty, and dry, hard, knotty stool. Stool hard, difficult and knotty. Dry. Urine cloudy, golden colored, and so and pain is descending kind of pain in extremities, pain in the hip joint, spreading through the buttocks and down the thighs, worse from stooping sciatica. So all about this remedy we have done, and thank you. Next we will discuss another remedy, and you can give your suggestions in the comment box. If you don't understand anything, you can tell. I will do better next time. Thank you.